Hello! Welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about Surveying. So tara at basahin na natin ang ating sample problem for today. A negative 6 degree grade and a positive 2% grade intersects at station 12 plus 200 whose elevation is at 14.375. The two grades are to be connected by a parabolic curve 160 meters long. Find the elevation of the first quarter point on the curve. So, first quarter, so ibig sabihin lang yan is yung length natin, yung ating total length is divide lang natin into 4. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong first quarter, second, third, and fourth. Diba? So, ganun. So, in this case, is ang question natin is first quarter point. So, ibig sabihin, divide natin into 2. So, meron tayong, sabihin natin yung buo. Meron tayong 160 based sa ating given. So, ang tanong is the first quarter. So, divide lang natin yan into 4 para malaman natin kung saan. Ibig sabihin, ito yung unang ating first quarter point. Okay? So, from this point, so from, let's say, pwede dito tayo manggaling, ano bang hinahanap? Elevation. So, may given dito, since ito yung given, nasa point, nasa intersection yung given ng elevation. So, pupunta tayo dyan, akit tayo, and then, pupunta tayo dito. Ito yung curve na kailangan natin. Yung first quarter point on the curve. Ayan. So, ganun yung magiging plan natin ng solution. From this, so, kunin natin itong length na to. So, meron namang given dyan, yung length, then yung grade. Makukuha na natin, ang ano na lang dyan is yung ating y, which is galing naman sa h. So, since ito ay symmetrical, pwede natin gamitin yung formula ng h. Okay? So, to solve, so our question is the first quarter eleb of the first quarter point on the curve. Ayan. Okay. So, first, let's solve yung ating h. Tapos, after nyan is mag-square property of parabola na lang tayo. So, h equals, yung formula natin for symmetrical, h equals L over 8, then quantity G1 or G2 minus G1. Meron tayong length na 160. Okay? 160 over 8. Then, yung ating G2, ating 2%. Ayan. And then, G1. So, sulat lang natin din dito yung given. So, G2 is 0.2%. Equal yan sa 0.02. And then, G1 natin ay negative 6%. Equal yan sa negative 0.06. Meron tayong 0.02 minus negative 0.06. Palitan natin ang bracket. Ayan. So, meron tayong 160 over 8 multiplied by 0.02. Gawin ko ng plus 0.06. Ayan. So, meron tayong 1.6 meters. H equals 1.6 meters. Then, meron na tayo nyan. Gamitin na natin yung square property of parabola. So, ito. Using yung itong parabola natin na yan. And then, ito. Okay? So, meron tayong y equals yung length ng ating y. Yung y natin is 40 squared. Then equals yung ating h over yung ating length, 80 squared. Okay. Okay. So So, itong ating h ay 1.6 yan. 6 meters. So, therefore, meron tayong y equals. Gawin natin y1. Or sige, y na lang since hindi naman na tayo kukuha ng ibang y. So, meron tayong 1.6 times 40 squared over 80 squared. Ayan. So, meron tayong 0.40 meters. And then, solve na natin yung ating question, elevation at of the first quarter. On the curve. So, meron tayong elevation na 14.375. Ayan. And then, kaya tayo dito. So, meron tayong length na 40 plus or multiplied by the grade. So, plus 40. Then, yung grade natin na 0.06. Plus, ito, yung y natin, meron tayong 0.40. Ayan. So, plus lang natin 14.375 plus yung ating 40 multiplied by 0.06. So, ayan. Meron tayong elevation at B. So, sige, pangalanan na lang natin. Elevation at B equals yung ating 17.175 meters. And this will be our final answer. Ayan. Isang question lang naman yan. And that would be all para sa ating sample problem for today. Thank you!